So recently I was searching on the internet for some random stuff, trying to make a baby edition of a morning routine as a couple. What? Anyway, I stumbled upon some weird atmospheric images with the same person and thought it's time to create some creepy artworks. And this has nothing to do with making babies, okay? These are the images we'll be using today, and I promise you it's going to be creepy and magical. The idea behind this artwork is going to be that every person has two sides, and I'm going to use this mirror reflection to show that. I'm gonna transform her into an angel, but then I will transform her reflection into a demon. I will show you a quick and fun way to do it, and in case you need more detailed tutorial, just check the link in description. Let the games begin. Important as a beautiful image. Go and search for some cute kitties. Oh yeah baby, that's what we need. And now you're probably wondering, what are we going to do with the kitty? You will never guess. Change the blending mode, select her beautiful face, and now show the cat on her face. No one will ever know there's a cat on her face. And don't you dare tell anyone, or I will destroy you with my dance moves. And now I'm gonna use color balance effect to give our texture some devilish colors. Color the eyes with red and give it some red outer glow effect. After that I found some really beautiful horns. Next step would be to import the horns. First the right one, then the left one, and adjust them, of course. Adjust the colors. It's time to edit the second goal. I mean, it's the same goal, it's just a mirror reflection. I hope you understand it, right? Stupid. Next step is to color the eyes with a white color and make them shine bright like a diamond. Let's use ellipse tool and add some halo, which is hello in German. Oh look, today we're learning design and German. But you know what is even better? The fact that you can access all of my premium Photoshop classes with a 7-day free trial. Learn how to create stunning artworks and animations, and finally fake your own images so you can go from ugly to beautifully. Learn from Fred.com. Stop creating ugly artworks. Start today for free. Add some glow to the halo and hide a part of it. And boom, shakalaka boom. Look at this, my dear friendsitas. I added a little bit of creepy green and changed the halo to yellow. So for this image, I want to give her Stranger Things vibe. So as you can see, she's trapped in a bathroom and I want you to feel scared for her. Almost like if something bad is about to happen. Let's see how I'm gonna do that. Important the image. Next we will edit the colors using camera raw filter and give it some cyan pinky colors. I'm gonna find some of my beautiful fog brushes and boom. Oh yeah. Doop doop deep tap doop deep tap doop. Oh, okay, shut up Fred. And now we have here these beautiful clouds. But we need to make sure they're only inside the window, so I'm gonna create a mask and delete everything else. It's time to use our brush tool and white color to color the eyes. Next we'll go to layer styles and use outer glow to make them shine. I'm gonna create a brightness layer. I'm gonna make it super bright, but then I will invert the mask. I bet you didn't expect it. Next step is to choose my favorite Hautic brush. And I'm gonna use that brush in order to reveal the brightness effect on the image and write help. Please, someone. And boom, chakalaka boom, look at this. Amazing. I just tweaked the colors a bit, make the pinks juicier and also yellows brighter and just increase vibrance. Next image. So, we have another image where the girl is looking into the mirror and seeing her own reflection. The theme here is going to be depression. She's going to look into the mirror and is going to ask, why? Why me? What is wrong with me? Let's see how I can show that in the artwork. Important the image. I'm gonna use quick selection to select only her beautiful face. We'll create a duplicate of this image with only her face visible. And now we will open the mysterious liquify filter. And I'm gonna use the finger tool to melt her face. Or how one of my followers said, that's how I look every morning. I'm talking about her, not me, because she said that, okay? I look beautiful every morning, like a beautiful flower, okay? So right now this looks pretty cute, okay? But I wanted to add something special. So I went to the layer where we had only her beautiful face If you remember, we did cut this earlier. I'm gonna create a new empty layer and also a hue saturation effect. Afterward, I will bring saturation to the maximum and also change the hue. And now using mixer brush tool and my special technique, I'm going to create rainbow colors. If you don't know how to do this, then just search in YouTube Color Splash Learn from Fred and you will see a tutorial from me. As soon as I save this smart object and go to my original project, I will see the colors appear on the melting face. Let's just do some color editing and add some greenish colors to make this even horrible. I'm such a horrible person. And after some more color edit, this is what we will get. And let's now do some dancing. What? Don't do any dancing. I said no. No! Stop twerking! Bye. And keep twerking, but please don't show it to me, okay? I'm not interested. Check out links in description for detailed tutorials. And also don't forget, learnfromfred.com! Start learning for free.